guys, welcome back to Koh Samui. Today is a beach day, as we would call it, spending pretty much the whole day at the beach. But I received an email yesterday and we need to talk about that a little bit. If you turn on the news on any single day, you're gonna find yourself faced to an array of opinions about the stock market, where things are going, what's doing well, what's doing not well, and where you have to invest. As a beginning trader, you might be inclined to do the exact same thing people are doing. You've been taught many times in life to do what others are doing, the same thing. Wake up at the same time, get a job at the same time, put your money at the same place people are putting their money at, because this is where there's return. This is all good, except that it doesn't work that way in the market. Jim Rogers, the legendary investor, says in his book Street Smart about timing his trades. Whenever people start talking at parties about how well a stock or an asset is doing, he knows that's the right time to get out. The reality is that whenever the majority start talking about something and expect something very positive or very negative, usually the opposite is going to happen. Maybe not the same day, but very, very likely in the next coming days or weeks. Take for example the S&P 500. Just this week, on Thursday, I opened Bloomberg for the first time and started to watch the Bloomberg Live TV, which is good to get information, by the way. The first thing I heard was how good the S&P was doing. Turns out that day I had a trade on the S&P 500, a long position, and the exact same day was a sell-off on the S&P of about 1%. Pretty big move. Right now people are coming in the news talking about how well things are going in Europe. If you look at the chart of EUR/USD, it's at major resistance zone, which is very likely to cause a reversal move on this pair. But if you look only at the news and only at what people are telling you, it's a massive opportunity to go long because everything is going well. But the purpose of this video is not to make you watch the news all the time and to make you look at everything. You don't need to become a news rat. The goal here is really to understand that whenever people start talking a lot about something, like when you hear it easily and you get aware easily of what people think, that's usually a sign that it's time for you to back off. And maybe think of doing the opposite. It doesn't mean you're gonna sell when everybody's optimistic, but it means you're gonna at least look at your chart and take some time to analyze what's really happening. And if you have your signal, then you can enter and do the opposite. Don't let the big optimistic move in the news influence you to go optimistic. It doesn't work that way at all. So I'll conclude the video here for today. I hope you guys liked it. I'm back at the hotel, of course, ready to edit the video. Let me know you talked about the issue I talked about today. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe because there's one more video every single day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.